Welcome to my garden. It's early September and I thought I'd show you around. Here's some beautiful sunflowers that I planted a couple of months ago from seed packets of different varieties of sunflowers. As you can see, they're just so beautiful, so fun to look at. Sunflowers just make us happy. And then I planted these yard-long beans. They have been the best variety of green beans that I've ever found to grow in the heat of Central Florida. I'm able to pick enough to make 2 to 3 pints in the pressure cooker each time I pick. There's some in the basket. And then we have some banana peppers growing and some green peppers growing. And then of course I have my asparagus. You see one little shoot there that I haven't broken off yet. Usually I break it off and eat it right there in the garden. I was not going to plant watermelons this year, but lo and behold, there were watermelon vines God planted, and I have 3 watermelons on, so I've just let them grow and do what they want to do. And we'll see how they turn out this year. And then we have herbs such as basil and chives and parsley. You may have caught mint in the background, but it's cut back. And then I have some mums growing. There's the mint. Moving on to other flowers, here's Crossandra, which grows really well in Florida. And this variety of daisies has done well. And I have some coleus and of course some zinnias, which make great cut flowers. I have those planted in my butterfly garden. And here's a butterfly going from flower to flower, just enjoying the morning, having his breakfast, I suppose. It's just such a delight to watch. And then this is just one side of my pool with some more chevaliers and tea plants. And then on my porch I have this beautiful orchid, and here I am after a hard day of gardening, sitting and relaxing. So I hope you enjoyed the garden tour, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.